Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can add your Twitch chat to your OBS studio and stream. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, go ahead and open OBS Studio, and after you do so, click on Dock. As you click on Docs, you can see the chat option. Go ahead and click on it and you can see this chat option opening. So this is the Twitch chat. If you have not opening the Twitch chat, you can just go ahead and minimize this as well. So you can see that you can set it up according to your wish. So you can set it up over here and minimize. Now as you're streaming, the chat will open up and you can see your chat over here. Make sure that you have started to stream on Twitch before that, and if you have not started to Twitching and if you have not connected your Twitch account, you should just go to the settings option over here and go to stream, and you can see the account has already been connected. If you have not connected it, you can go to stream and into your Twitch account details, log into your Twitch account and connect it and start twitching. So you can go ahead and stream any game or any movie or anything you want. So this is how you can see the Twitch chat on your PC and record it with OBS Studio. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.